call. So now I'll do small steps and we will start our translation, guys. Oh shit, how to do this? Now give me a minute, guys. I need to make a story for you that our translation is already launched. Да, привет. Круто, что классная сделка, рад, что ты оценил, спасибо. Все так, я думаю, да. Все детали будут в канале, сейчас английский стрим, так что буду вещать на английском, ребят. Так. М. No, it's fine. Можешь перевести, отвечу на английском еще. Слышно хорошо, я так понимаю, все в порядке. Okay, all done. So let me check, is it working or no? Everything is fine. Hello everybody who is here, guys. By the way, glad to see everybody here. This audio is fine, thank you so much. Now I'll check. Okay, all done. Yes, nice. Everything is working proper. Stream is working proper. We can remove this. Wait a little bit, guys. Maybe somebody will join now. Everything is fine. So let's see. So okay, yeah, we can start. So guys, today we are gonna talk about the situation in the market and what's happening basically in the world, because many things are happening now, you know, and it's really, we have lots of interesting information about what we can talk today, and I'll give you many interesting news about the situation in the Middle East, by the way, because that situation is crazy, every day more crazy, you know. So I'm open my notes. Where is note? Yeah, it's here. And we will start. So I guess I wanted to do a little bit like that to better. Yeah. So who wanted to share with me your mind? How are you today? Maybe some interesting things. M1ND001 already texted something. Thank you, February. So guys, let's talk about the situation. For the first, now, you know, the situation in the Middle East is really quite strange because I saw the post in the Twitter. It's such a strange post in the Twitter. Maybe I will show you this post now. So if just shortly explain you what happening is there. There's like in a Twitter, in the X app, Trump with the Iranian government chatting in the Twitter about all the situation, and there was a joke like that the Iranian government posted the tweet that please, Mr. Trump, could you start your operation and do your actions after the 8 p.m. or something like that. Unfortunately, I cannot find it, but I'll explain you. And Trump answer, no, it will start exactly 8 p.m. And it's so strange, you know, now when the we're living in the world when there are really so important questions and so important things are happening, and you don't know, you can laugh in from of this situation, or you should be scary that the political people is so unserious to the so important things in decisions, because of each of these decisions is will pay people. I mean, people will pay them health, them life for all what they're doing now. Yeah, I mean, if Trump started operation anyway, some people will die, and it's very sad, really. I don't love wars and all of these things. I hate basically this all situations, because in my original country some similar situation are happened 2 times. Yeah, because I'm from the city where it started in 2014 originally, and then it happened one more time in 2022, and that's why I don't like the situation like that, and I understand what Iranian people feeling in some case, but anyway, it's not good. And when this is so unserious, it's really strange. But what I can say now, when I already had in my life a sourced like operation or sourced war or something like that, I can say only that all of these things is just a manipulation, and it's not so serious as we used to think about. Yeah, it's not so serious, and often all this situation, oh shit, often all this situation is just more about some manipulation in the market to decrease or increase price for some assets or some things, metals, gold, oil, and something like that. And not be stressed so much, guys, about all the situation. It can happen in any country, and it's happening every single time. But generally, we should know that already now 86% of people from the Polymarket platform who don't know this is platform where people can do bid on some events in the world, for example, will start ground operation in Iran from US side in April or no. And 80% of people thinking that yes, it will. That means it's usually market and the world basically doing exactly in the opposite side from the most of people thinking, and that's why my opinion that we will not see this. And I recorded a YouTube video on a Monday about that, and I told that there it's still not on YouTube. Maybe I will upload it after the stream, and then I'm telling the same that I think that operation will not start, and as we see now, it isn't. But what the main issue to know, guys, that anyway they play in the game, and this game looks so serious, because in many airports around Bay, Hormuz Bay and all this area of UAE and around the Arabic countries, many people from forces in army wear or something like that in the airport, and many soldiers and something like that there, and they all come for operation. And it all was before they now like make some they move the start of the operation, and they did all this preparation and show how it's working. And it's also all manipulation, guys. It's also all manipulation. Basically everybody should understand that this war and this ground operation and everything, there's no benefits for Trump. There's no benefits for Trump. And Trump is very smart guy. Yeah, he's a bit rude, not a bit, but he's not stupid, and he understands it. If he will start a ground operation, and if he will do some strange actions, like for example atom attack on Iran or something like that, that will decrease his levels and like his respect on the US market so much, since he will not win elections in November in Senate, and Republic Party. And in that case, he'll get impeachment. And he will not be president anymore. And he understands it. He will not do so hard actions and so strong actions which can damage his image and everything. But he's playing this game very beautiful. He's doing everything like in a real, everything like in a real war. Really, he's ready for everything. He's ready to kill everybody, to make atom attack on Iran, to like put all his power of forces on Iran. But he's not doing this, and he will not do this, I guess. You can ask me why? Because he won't be president. He's making money now. Believe me, he's hustling money. He's now grabbing from the market really lots of money. And already now we can see on screeners, yes, that's now Democrats is 52% and Republic is 49%. So it means that already he started to lose position on elections. And all the situation is come unprofitable for him now. And we should understand that in one day it can finish. All this situation with Iran and Middle East can be finished in one day. The escalation can be started anytime. Now everybody will shocked. Market will be so volatile in that time. But anybody can do anything. Because it's a big game. It's a big manipulation. It's a beautiful game. And Trump doing this, really beautiful. So be ready to finish this situation in any day, and markets will for sure Bitcoin will go higher, will go up. Yeah, gold will drop, DXY will go up. I will show you now all that on the charts also to explain, but I just wanted to a little bit calm down your mind and your thinking about all that situation. Why he will not do some things, yeah, because many of my people who I know telling me, you're not scary about the situation, you're not scary that they will start atom attack or something like that. No, I'm not, because I know, because it's unprofitable for him. Trump will not do anything what is unprofitable for him. So, but I have only one way where I think the situation can be really happen and the ground operation can really start, if Trump will lose control, yeah, of all the situation, and he will not able to control what happening there really, or if Iran will start do first some really hard actions, some attack on his water forces and everything like that. But Iran wanted to now solve it in a diplomatic way, and I saw that they already working on agreement between them in a diplomatic way, and I guess it will finish in this way already soon. So, but also we have on this week many important news and many important metrics which we should get. It's inflation, two type of inflation, yeah, and it's also GDP of US, yeah, gross domestic product. And it will show us what exactly happening with the economy of US. And I can tell you now, guys, there is nothing good happening with economy of US, because it's comes slowly and slowly every single day. And for them, the separation is very costly. Very costly. They spend so much money there, and that's why people are not happy. That's why there's 7 millions of protests, people who come on the protest in the 50 states. So think about, guys. Think about and don't be scary. Everybody who living in Dubai, who living around, yeah, or who is really caring about all the situation, everything will be fine. No worries. But what the most important things and can be useful for you guys, that you should to trade now and work with the market. If you do anything with the market, in the opposite side of Trump mood. What I mean, if Trump is come in a good mood and telling that I will solve the situation, everything will be fine, everything will be good, we will soon de-escalate the conflict and something like that, you should to open the short, yeah, because now market every single time is coming in opposite side of Trump speeches and of information which he is giving. Just keep it in mind. And if he says that everything will be bad, we will continue the operation, we will start ground operation, we will start all these things, he will not do this. Market will go up, need to open the long. I see this every time now on the chart. It just explained how it happened. Let's see something on charts, what's happening on the charts also, because it's also important things. And firstly, I wanted to show you, I see maybe after my speech a bit what you texting me here. I agree, I'm also very confident about the part where the Trump said that there has now declared case fire, and yeah 100% highs, 100%. Tankers again are stopped from the passenger train, Hormuz. Israel also strike at Iran after the Trump's reports on case fire. Saudi Arabia's East oil pipeline have been hit. Yes, guys, but it's all the game. No worries, it's all the game. It's just a game. It's nothing more. And because why he doing this game? Let's remind you guys, because Trump have to do recession shock on the markets and on the economy, for everybody to start how he want to do this control crisis. So he want to keep this crisis under control, but start this crisis to stimulate Federal Reserve start printing money in a huge amount. He needed for the first to get this money, and for the second to just save the economy of US. They will not have any other choice, and it will happen for sure. And now I can really understand that he's doing smart things, but he chose the hard way to do this. And let's remember all the times when they print lots of money: 2008, 2019, and 2026. And it will happen again after some time. But now we should be shocked. And some people, 90% of people, shocked, believe me. So, bro, I can trade on gold. Yeah, I can, if you ask me about this. Okay, I will come back to my speech. You can ask me question, write me. Hello, everybody who coming on now. Let's talk a bit. You can ask your question, and we will chat after I will finish with the charts. I will get to answer your answers. So, I will just show you what is happening here on the silver. I posted my YouTube video on last week, 2 weeks ago, and there I show there was only this triangle, and in the triangle was this price was here, and I'll give you two zones, and if price come in these zones, you should to trade exactly like here. And now you can see exactly what you will get if you will use my analysis and my setups which I'm giving you on YouTube and here on my streams. So you see now, and this zone is really strong, and now we see the second reaction from here. That means the silver is respect this zone, yeah, and this volume is very strong. And now I'm still waiting to pull back here in the buy zone, in the long zone, from where I will take long. So this is the next step. You still can jump in this train. Yeah, if we will look on DXY, oh shit, it's still going down. What happened in here? Let's see on the high time frame, because yeah, on the high time frame it grabbed liquidity from here, yeah, and now do some correction and pull back to the channel, yeah, and we will see now if it will be, this candle will close under the channel. Maybe we will see that all will be just a pullback, but we have a huge target here, because this monthly and weekly imbalance where the price have to go. We have here also several liquidity pools, yeah, and strong order blocks, which is a magnet for the price, yeah, because here all liquidity is grabbed. See, there's no liquidity, basically here no reason to come here, yeah, that's why it will be something like that. Now just be ready for that, and if it will go like this, you should understand that gold will go in other side, yeah. I'll show you about gold. This is my swing setup where I'm waiting price, but basically here on the intraday we can see that we reach exactly this optimal level. I'll show you this optimal level many times when price was here. I told you guys many times that we will go to this optimal level soon. We will do this, yeah. You can also see this in my YouTube video which I will post today. So, and nice, we see how its price come exactly here. I draw it and I show it many times. So now we see this, yeah, and price is still coming up. Now we see some reactions, yeah, and now it's very important what will happen in the next few days, because we still have imbalance here, yeah, we still have imbalance here. We got reaction from this order block from here, yeah, and now we are in an imbalance here, yeah. Also here we will work in this imbalance. Let's see what happened here on 4 hours chart. Yeah, now we come to close this gap. Basically normal scene, we still have some liquidity here. It's grabbed, it's not grabbed, some compression, yeah, but structure is long structure now, yeah, because we have higher low low, high low low, high, and some correction now. So I'm thinking that it will go higher a bit, yeah, for sure. This pin, guys, give me 1 minute, I need to answer my wife. Да, солнце, у меня эфир.
Ой, я иду домой.
Давай. Guys, it's my wife. No, always need to answer to your wife. So, yeah, this pin is showing us that maybe already some correction will start. See the pin? Yeah, that's why I guess we can see some now correction and then full fill of imbalance, and then we should to see the situation on Middle East. And even on it's a strange situation when we see that gold is in correction, and DXY also now is in correction, yeah. Why I can see all the chart? Because here is gap. Okay, got it. Oh, yeah, now it will be corrected, still corrected, because this gap, if it's true gap, it has to be closed. Yeah, there's gap. How it come? Yeah, but it has to be closed. So now we will see some correction on the gold. This pin, we understand why it happened now. Yeah, and I guess it will be corrected, something like that now. So just be ready for that. More information I'll give you on my YouTube already soon. If we look on Bitcoin with you guys, we can see exactly what happened here. I'll give you also these charts and these setups, the same We're always trading from liquidity, and now we see how it start going in our side of sell side liquidity here. And when it will reach these levels, just press bottom sell, guys, and set up your stop losses here, and this is your entry point. Done. That's all what you need to know to grab a good trade for 15% at least, but you can start close from 10% at the clean movement. Just your understanding, I did today too much content for you guys, that's why I'm a little bit tired, but it's fine. The stream is always should be here. Also, I'm waiting for this sales level on oil. Yeah, it's a CI oil, but as we see now, firstly it gave us this correction. It's still lots of liquidity here, it's still lots of liquidity here, and I guess it will go back. It will go back only if we will see the de-escalation. Only if we will see the de-escalation, yeah, that will be continue dropping back, dropping more and more down. But oh my god, it gave us now 20%. It's one of the most strong dump on the oil in the last maybe 20 years, I guess, in one day. Yeah, it's very huge. It's very huge. Yeah, also wanted to show you guys a setup which I gave about the hype, just to explain you that you should to always watch what I'm posting. Here you can see now how it react from this level, and also everybody who enter with our community, 15% of clean movement here on the base. Nice, nice, for sure nice. Yeah, also I gave some more setup on about that coin. Yeah, see, I entered this trade, and now you can see what we have. It will fall for sure. Memcore. Yeah, but this with a low leverage, please, with maybe leverage no more than 3. Yeah, x3, something like that. Basically, I'm waiting some pullback now on many of assets. For example, like here, I'm waiting some pullback and then continue dropping to these levels. Yeah, it looks huge 3 times, but yeah, it will be, because still need to be fair on the market. And if you will open Bitcoin, still many are people buying Bitcoin much higher than these levels. Many of people buying Bitcoin here, guys, on the 47,000, and that's why they will go there. But first, for sure, they will do a pullback in the sell side here, grab this liquidity, close this imbalance. See, it's not just because they want. Here everything is very technically, and then go down. Yeah, that's just for what you should be ready, guys. On Ethereum, by the way, situation is also situation is also fine, but I'm still waiting when it will drop in my buy zone, because I wanted to take long from liquidity side from here. Yeah, I see somebody calling me, Daniel, later. From this side we can take a long. Yeah, for now I'm not see here any entry point or something interesting. So let's back to our plan. And S&P 500 for sure, guys. S&P 500, I'll show you this maybe 2 months ago, and told you that S&P 500 will do correction now. What do you see now? Beautiful, beautiful, amazing, amazing. Everybody can make profit. Just use analytics, guys. I'm giving it for free. Streams, YouTube, share with a friend. It's possibilities. So yeah, many interesting things. Let's leave here. Okay, maybe there's something important. I will check what guys is texting me now. Yeah, there's something important. Wait, guys, all this time screen, it doesn't work. Equation, great equation. Thank you, guys. Look, the screen is frozen. Can see silver chart only. Okay, guys, I see. Okay, I see a message. Thank you so much. I see. Experience more than 7 years, guys. Okay, screen is frozen. Why screen is frozen? Let me check. I will try to do something, guys, with that. Refresh. Okay, you can see me is fine. Yeah, now while I'm trying to fix the screen, you can text your question, guys, and you can ask your question and we can talk a bit. I will answer the guy who talked about the stream because I didn't see this. Yeah, I will check now why it's frozen. Basically, it's very sad that it's frozen, but it's fine. Sometimes happen. Frozen first time. Let me check. Okay, yeah, that's really frozen. Okay, what we can do? Okay. Oh, so guys, now it's working. Everything is fine. I solved the issue. Okay, let me know, please, on which part screen is frozen. So we didn't see anything, only silver. Okay, let us show you one more time. I can do it for you guys. I show you about the S&P that we got here is an amazing correction, and I told about that last 2 months is when the price was here. Now we see the correction, so please use the information for just make profit on the market, guys. Then I'll show you the DXY. The situation is here. If we will now close the candle under this levels, maybe it will go down. It will tell us about the de-escalation conflict. With that news, it can happen. Yeah, I'll show you on the gold situation that also many times I'll show you when the price was here that we will go to this optimal level, and now we come exactly in this level. Yeah, from here now will be some correction, and then we will continue go higher. Yeah, because gold now is locally here in the fully long structure. So from the beginning, haha, really haha. So also I'll show you there are some entry points and how the setups on the high, for example, show how it worked. Like I did that setup in the last my YouTube review or previous YouTube review, you can check there, but I just show now how it worked. Now it's already a finished setup. Yeah, but now still available this setup on meme core. Yeah, you can take it now because it's still valid, and it's on the start move. Yeah, with a low leverage, no more than leverage number 3, you can take this setup. You can see the levels, yeah, you can see the everything. So please take this is meme core. It will drop down for sure. Also I'll show you the, I guess, CL. Yeah, then I'm waiting the one more pullback upper, but now it's given very strong correction blood, because everybody already thinking only about that it will go higher and higher, and they return it beautiful manipulation also, because there was many orders for long with stop losses, and that's why they have to take it. Yeah, here the same, the huge gaps, so we'll see how it gaps will be covered now. So here, and you easily can understand that's on a low time frame. You can find the entry point to close this gap. If it will give like this, you can enter here and take a long till here with a stop loss here. It could be not bad trade also, because gaps like this always are closing on the market, always, and 95%, let's say like this. Yeah, about the silver, I guess you already saw this. That's this zone which I show you, the gave an amazing reaction two times, and now we are waiting for the long zone. From long zone we will take the long. All updates will be in my YouTube channels and on my streams, you can see it there. One is interesting here. Yeah, amazing, finally long on the euro, we can see. Yeah, it's now going to the sell side of this range, sell side, buy side, especially for you I showed here. Yeah, and from here you can also try to take entry the short. Yeah, because always trade in a range from upper and lower zone, and just you understand the context when you look at it like that. From here, see, we exactly give this reaction, and everybody who entered here or here got the profit for sure, because it's working like that. So guys, this the most important things for now here on the market. If you have any questions, let me know. Silver are still here. Yeah, now we will see on the Bitcoin, and I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you that on the Bitcoin, many are people buying Bitcoin here. Many are people buying and bought Bitcoin here on this price, around this price, 49, 45k, and only when it will again frozen. What happened? Thank you guys. It's good that I'm now white frozen. I don't have VPN or anything like that. White frozen. Now working. Yeah. So this level of Bitcoin could be reached very easily after some pullback, and after some short squeeze, it can drop to this level. So just be ready for that, guys. It can be already soon, and you should be ready for that. So I will leave this level even, but basically like local situation is like that, and I am preparing to these setups. It's all what you need to know now, guys. So guys, please, your questions. I will finish a little bit with my topics here in my notes, and then we will finish for the day. So gas, by the way, gas, let's see what happened on natural gas. Natural gas, yeah, it's almost reached our level. Yeah, it's so on gas we are waiting situation like that. So also take this setup, and you can already make money on the market with that setup on the gas. Yeah, it's showing cool. Just take it, just natural gas. And it will come on the futures of Binance, and when any like assets is coming on the futures on the Binance, usually after that it's dropped down. So gas is there waiting for dump. Be ready to catch it on this level. Also, I wanted to let you know, guys, that now the interest to the crypto market is on a so low levels like it was in 2022, in 2019 and something like that. So it's a good time with low liquidity to now start pump some coins, pump some assets, and I guess in half in a year we will see some bull run moves. Yeah, it will start soon, because always if the market, if the narratives, if the everything comes so much in the one side, so negative, after that it will be positive. When it's so much positive and everybody tells you that crypto is amazing and something like that, crypto changed my life, after that will be negative. So just, it's always like that. And always when it's negative, you should to buy. Always when it's too much positive, you should to sell. That's it. That's the basic market rules. So basically you should know also that the US government injected in US economy more than $160 million in the last 3 months from the December. And that means that they already start print money. Yeah, not so much like it was in 2020, but they start. And I guess from May till June we will see the really how they will turn on the maximum the print machine. We'll see. I believe in that. So guys, this is the main things which I wanted to share with you today, which you should to know. All the setups in my channel, all who want to trade with me, you know what to do. Yeah, looking for the channel, Telegram channel, there's all updates and everything is there. And now I will look for your questions and we will finish. Where's questions? Frozen again? No, now, yeah, maybe we need to restart. There's nothing now new, guys. Yeah, it's working, see, it's working, but need to maybe restart OBS system or something like that. That's why it doesn't work. So let me check your messages. Open position since for Dubai, open price, I'm still holding. Should I maybe close my position? My idea is to take profit. Let me check for you. You are here. You was the first. Let me check for you. So you entered the position is 1.5 hours ago, exactly, by the way, 1.5, exactly 90 minutes ago. Each time you open that here, which price your entry point? 4739, 4739. Okay, 4739. Yeah, let's come 15 minutes. 4739. You open the long, right? Yeah, I see gold. Let me know, please. You open the long, and your stop loss is 477. Ah, no, I guess you open the short if your stop loss 477. You open the short, and let me know, please, why you open this position. Look, okay, you open the position like this. You want to show? Let me know. Yeah. Now we're doing like review on the position of one of my subscriber. So you enter the position 4739, 4739. Crazy, man, you crazy. Stop losses 4770, 4770, like this. Where is your take profit? Can I know? Yeah, I understand this chart already. Where you choose to put your take profit? Just explain me. Where basically your take profit should be here to be really confident, because first target, main target here. Okay, maybe here, because let's just look on liquidity levels. 1, 2, 3. This is should to be your take profit, and this is quite long. I mean, it's quite a long position in timeline. That it's not so fast. But when it's already come and drop here, look, you see that it reach the. See, I will show you now. I will explain now what you do. See, like this, like this, like this. Optimal line, guys. I'm always teaching you that all the market respect the optimal line. We see the first candle and here this candle. Between this candle is imbalance. Yeah, basically it should come here. Yeah, but okay. Yeah, by book it's like here. And you see that here is optimal line of all this price. It's close half of this imbalance. Yeah, if we will take exactly this imbalance, let's say like this. Yeah, it's almost fulfill this imbalance. Here to open the short position doesn't have reason, because you don't have a good point to put your stop loss, because your stop loss always should be somewhere on a swing point. So you always should to try to enter the position like this here, and put your stop losses here, or enter the position here, and put your stop losses here. You just open the position just in the middle of movement. Yeah, no liquidity zone, no nothing, and you just open this position. For sure it give reaction in opposite side. Yeah, for sure it has target here. See this imbalance, and it can easily reach this imbalance and close your position in stop loss. Yeah, and also if you will check now the DXY, it give some pullback up. Let's see. Yeah, with a huge gap, and it will now trying to cover this gap. This gap, see, it's need to be filled. It's is it gives some? Yeah, it gives some on the 5 minutes. See, it's break structure here and starting to break structure here. If it will now break structure here and candles will close here, it will go higher. If DXY will go higher, gold will go down. But it's already give some reaction, and after that, see, there's no power, and it can be corrected. Now a little bit like this. And when it will reach this level, you can be already close by stop loss. Not good enter point for this position. Totally not good. Yeah, it still has order block here. Maybe it will react on this block, but Yeah, I see you maybe put your stop loss over this swing point. Yeah, maybe over this swing point, but not strong. It could be really great if you open that position here, but not already here when almost all movement done. Yeah, it's usual mistake. It's usual mistake. 4690 take profit for 690. So you put the take profit for 690 here to this volume, yeah. Your risk reward is 1.6. 1.6 you can use risk reward when you're confident in that position so much. Now I guess that will be stop loss. My opinion, that's the stop loss, get here stop loss is very high potential. So, but it's only your decision now, because see how strong it is now, see how the XY is coming in reaction now. It will now give some small correction, even you can get a stop loss. Yeah, basically now the XY will make correction and then go up, and for you it will looks like now, unfortunately, if you will not close position, it can looks like this. It will go higher and then drop, because you open position in not in the discount zone. Basically you always should to open position in discount zone. Yes, we have a premium and discount zone to open the position. Yeah. Yeah, it's good that it's not a big lot. It's a good, but yeah, because see, what is the premium discount zone? If we have, for example, this, yeah, all this movement, let's take from here all this movement, and if we wanted to join the trend, we have here same in all this movement, we have two zones: premium zone and discount zone. Yeah, so if you want to buy in the long after that movement here, when you see these candles, you should to wait when your when the price will go in this zone, and here to buy on long only from this zone, this discount zone. See, the discount. In the premium we are not buying, but if you're looking for the short, for now, for example, if you're looking for the short, look, we're doing this movement, see, and your discount and premium zone will be here, your discount zone here. So to take a short in this moment, you should to enter here. That's why here will be stop loss, I guess. Be careful. What I can say, be careful, just be careful, and everything will be fine. Yeah, it will cover now this imbalance that you will get stop loss, because see here is small imbalance. But you can still try. If it's a small lot, you can try. So guys, it was our stream for today. Thank you for everybody who come here. Glad to see everybody, and waiting for new YouTube video. It soon will be posted on YouTube. Today night you already can see this, and thank you for your attention. Waiting in my Instagram, Telegram channels, and have a good evening. Bye bye.